Genius Kids. Cultivating love for learning.
Lesson 6. The Maps. Knowledge acquisition. After completing this chapter, we will be able to know about the importance of map, limitations of a globe, types of map, languages of the map. In previous chapter, we have studied about the globe, which is a model of the earth. Except the globe, map is also an essential component to study of the earth and its structure. Now, we will study in this chapter about the map, directions, and the kinds of the map. Map. The map is a drawing of the earth on a flat surface like paper, cardboard, etc. It can be folded, rolled, and even put in a book or bag. Maps can be drawn to show the whole world or even a very small part of it. Maps may be of continents, countries, cities, or even of a neighborhood. We can also make a map of our house and show all the details on it. Though a globe is very useful for studying about the earth, as it is a true model of the earth, it has certain limitations. Limitations of a globe. 1. A globe occupies a lot of space. 2. It is not easy to carry a globe from one place to another. 3. It cannot show detailed information. Because of these limitations, a map is drawn on a flat surface. A map can overcome all these shortcomings. In comparison to a globe, maps give more specific and detailed information. Maps show locations and features like types of land, natural resources, agricultural and industrial resources, climate, population distribution, places of tourist interest, roadways and railway routes, etc. We can even enlarge the features of a small area and show them clearly on a map. A book which contains maps is called an atlas. Maps can be hung on the walls. They can be carried by folding them and kept in a bag easily. Types of maps. There are many types of maps. Some of them are as follows. 1. Political map. 2. Physical map. 3. Thematic map. 4. Topographical map. 5. Cadastral map. Critical thinking. A map is a flat drawing of the whole or a part of the Earth's surface. 1. Political map. These maps show boundaries between different countries or different states in a country. 2. Physical map. A physical map shows the physical features of an area. The physical map of India shows us its land and water. 3. Thematic map. The maps which focus on specific information of the regions are called thematic maps. Some maps show rainfall in different areas. They are called rainfall maps. 2. Some maps show population in different areas. They are called population maps. 3. Some maps show crops grown in different parts of the given area. They are called crops grown maps. 4. Topographical map. These maps show the natural phenomena and human activities such as roads, railway lines, landforms, etc. 5. Cadastral map. The maps show the villages and towns with the details of streets, plots, fields, etc. are called cadastral maps. Language of maps. Key, scale, directions, title, and grid system are some of the important elements of a map. The best way to learn about the other countries would be to visit every place on the earth. Is that possible? No, so we have to find an easier way. To do so, we can study a map. To understand the information given on a map, we must know its language. Keys or symbols. Keys or symbols tell the matter of a map. There are many keys or symbols used on a map. These are given below. 1. Scale. It is the most important language of map. The scale enables us to measure distances from one place to another on the particular map. Maps are classified into large-scale maps and small-scale maps. This classification depends upon the area of the Earth to be shown and the size of the map. The map of the world, continents and countries are small-scale maps as large areas represented on small-size map. The maps of towns, villages, etc. are large-scale maps as the smaller areas are represented on a large-size map. If on a map the scale states that 1 centimeter is equal to 100 kilometers, then it means that from one place to another on that particular map, 1 centimeter is equal to 100 kilometers on the Earth. Critical thinking. A map without scale is called a sketch shoulders. The scale statement, giving the scale used in map, is shown either on top or bottom of the map. 2. Directions. There are 4 main directions used to find your way on the map: north, south, east and west. Maps are generally shown with north at the top and south to the bottom. Some maps, however, indicate north and south with an arrow. When we are facing north, our left side indicates west and our right side shows east. All the maps also follow the same system of directions. If you are clear about the 4 main directions, the sub-directions become easy to remember. See the figure given to understand the directions on a map. 3. Sub-directions. In addition to the 4 major directions, there are 4 sub-directions also. Between north and east lies the northeast, NE. Between north and west lies the northwest, NW. Between south and east lies the southeast, SE. Between south and west lies the southwest, SW. 4. Title. All maps have a title which tells the reader what the map is about. Critical thinking. Google Map is a web mapping service technology provided by Google. They provide many map-based services: Google Map website, Google Route Planner, Google Ride Finder, Google Transit, Google Urban Business Locator, etc. 5. Colors. In the maps, the colors play an important role. They tell a recognition to every part or thing separately. Color descriptions are given below. Color. Parts. Light brown, highlands, dark brown, mountains, dark blue, deep waters, oceans, light blue, lesser depth of water, green, plains, yellow, hills and plateaus. 6. Signs and symbols. There are many different features on land, such as temples, mosques, churches, roads, capitals, cities, rivers, railway lines, etc. It is not possible to draw them on a map. Thus, standard signs and symbols are used to show them. Some of commonly used signs and symbols are given in the given below table. The symbols and colors used in the maps are universal, that is, the same set of symbols and colors are used all over the world. So, they are called conventional symbols or international symbols. In every map, a key or legend is given which helps us to understand the meaning of signs and symbols used in that particular map. International boundary, state boundary, district boundary, metal road, sea route, mosque. church, temple, dam, bridge, river or stream, well and tank, railway broad gauge, grass and shrub, forest, town or village, capital of the country, railway narrow gauge. A sketch and plan. A sketch. Some maps are drawn hurriedly. They are not drawn according to scale. Such map is called a sketch. A plan. Some maps are drawn at a very large scale on a planned way. These are called plans. These maps are drawn when many details of a small area are to be shown on the map. If you want to show the number and position of benches in your classroom, you will have to draw a plan of the room itself. Such detail cannot be shown on the map of your town or the city. Critical thinking. The weather maps are prepared by the Meteorological Department of India by collecting data from various meteorological stations. Continuous review. The globe is the best representation of the Earth. A map is a representation of the Earth or a part of it on plane surface to a scale. A political map shows the boundaries and area of different countries. All maps have a title which tells the reader what the map is about.
Like, share and subscribe.